up cloves of garlic and making a mess. Capers from Trader Joe's also. Oh, almost done with this jar of it. We need some new ones. All right. Olive oil from Costco, of course. It's a very simple recipe. It's very good for the fall, before it's cold. Nice and spring summery, actually. Organic balsamic vinegar from Costco, also. It's good stuff. All right, we need some spice in here, of course. Red chili paste from ShopRite. The stuff is lethal. Only use... it's not open, guys. I'm really screwing up this video. These one-take videos can be really bad. I cannot get this open. All right, guys, hold on one second. I've got one that's open. We will improvise. We'll use the one that's open. Just a couple dabs in there. Well, that's a lot. That's all right. We like it spicy. Normal, conventional salt in my favorite shaker. Everything bagel seasoning mix from Costco, of course. Black pepper from Costco, of course, again. I can't open anything today. It's ridiculous. Really can't open anything today, guys. That is it. Easy peasy.